Hey everyone, welcome! Traveling Karina here with a new stateroom tour. Join me as we step inside a Carnival Vista Family Harbor suite. I'll also show you the Family Harbor Lounge and of course share my full review and final thoughts. Okay, so we stayed in a Family Harbor suite, room 2416. Let's check it out. So here it is. This is a quick look at the main room, and when you turn to your right, you will find the closet space. We found it a bit snug with limited space for maneuvering, especially if one of the cupboard doors is open. However, it does offer ample storage for clothes and essentials. Quick tip. There isn't a specific light just for the closet. You have to use the main light source for the whole cabin. Therefore, I recommend bringing a portable light with you for use in the closet for when someone is sleeping and you want to keep the main light off. We used this cute little rechargeable light and it also acted as a nightlight. Directly across from the closet is the first of two bathrooms in this suite. This one follows the typical Carnival style, featuring a shower with a curtain, toilet, and a sink area. The second bathroom comes with a wonderful feature, a bathtub. I can see this being really helpful for families with small children. I personally preferred this room for showering as the tub provided more room to move around and the curtain didn't get in my way as much as the stand-up shower in the first bathroom. This bathroom also includes a sink, but unfortunately no toilet. Alright, so now I'll show you the main room. First thing you see is a couch. That couch converts to a bed, either a single or double depending on the number of occupants. And above the couch there is the option of a pull-down bed. There were 4 of us in the room, so we used the pull-down bed and the single couch option. If there were 5 of us in the room, we would have had to turn the couch into a double bed. Moving into the other bed area, here you will find a king bed that can also be converted into 2 twin beds if needed. Here you will enjoy a larger TV, and there's also a desk with a fridge for your convenience. And for those of you in need of charging options, here's a look at what's available in this room. And now we will check out the balcony. This room actually comes with a cove-style balcony, and since this is a suite, the balcony is extra long, providing 4 chairs instead of the normal 2. And now I will give you my final thoughts and review. This part is difficult for me because I enjoyed the interior of this room and my overall experience with Carnival cruises, but regrettably, this room posed a noise challenge. It's located directly under the kitchen galley, and we were frequently disrupted at night by industrial sounds, like banging and dragging. I would most definitely recommend this style of room, but unless you're a heavy sleeper, I'd hesitate to recommend this particular one because of its location. Other than the noise, the room comes with many perks, including the presence of 2 bathrooms, and the room comfortably accommodated the 4 of us. Another great perk was the ability to utilize the Family Harbor Lounge. Surprisingly, this area, which I initially thought might be messy, was consistently well maintained by the staff, making it a pleasure to visit and use. They provided a hot breakfast, snacks during the day, and 24-hour ice cream in the lounge. It was super convenient being able to grab a quick snack or beverage instead of having to go up all the way to the Lido deck. In summary, our cruise and stay in the Family Harbor area was enjoyable overall. It's just unfortunate that the room is situated in a noisy area. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this helpful, please make sure to subscribe, and happy cruising!